Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CS Creator. In this tutorial, we can learn how to add and remove Apache Tomcat from Windows services and how to start Apache Tomcat automatically on a system reboot. So for that, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, for adding and removing Apache Tomcat from the services, we need to go to the service window. For that, actually we have the two or more than two approaches, but I use that easy two approaches here. First of all, approach is press Windows key plus R and search in this search box services.msc, so that search gives you directly into the service window. This is the service window. Or other option is to directly search from that search box services. So you get this services option here. Using that also you can go into the service window. Now we check Apache Tomcat is present in our services or not. So in my services I got the Apache Tomcat here. So for first of all, we removing that Apache Tomcat from our service, and afterwards I add that Apache Tomcat into the services again. So for removing that, first we search for the CMD. Open that command prompt as a run as an administrator, and for removing Apache Tomcat, first of all we need to copy the service name from, double click on the Apache Tomcat, and we get the service name from here. That is, my service name is Tomcat 9. I copy that service name, go into the command prompt again, and just use this one command, that is sc delete and service name. So I put sc delete and paste out here service name. So sc delete and service name, whatever service you have, that service name you need to put here. So I enter it. So the message delete service success. So we check that actually the Apache Tomcat is removing from service or not. For that we close our services. Again we go into the service window, and now let's check here. We never got Apache Tomcat here. Means using that command sc delete and service name, we can remove the services, remove our Apache Tomcat from the service window. So now we are going to add Apache Tomcat in that service. For that we need to first go into the our Apache Tomcat folder and inside bin. Then after that copy this bin path and go into the Apache Tomcat bin folder by using path. Then we use the cd for going into that folder and paste here the path. So right now we are in the Apache Tomcat bin. Now here we use the one single command for inserting our service or our Apache Tomcat into the services. For that we have the command like service dot bat install. Using this command we can install our Apache Tomcat service into services window. Just enter it. Look here, we have the message that the service Tomcat 9 has been installed. Our service name is Tomcat 9, so the service Tomcat 9 has been installed in our services. For checking that, we first of all close this open service, and again we are going for the new service window, and now check here, we have the Apache Tomcat present in it. This is the two process that we can add our Apache Tomcat in the services and removing from the services. Now we are going for the how to start the Apache Tomcat automatically on the system reboot. First of all, we are double click on that Apache Tomcat, and we have some configuration or some details over here. So if we go into the startup type, then at this stage, my startup type is manual. But if you want to start your Apache Tomcat on a system startup or on a system reboot, you need to make this startup type as a automatic. This startup type, if you make this startup type as a automatic, then whenever you start your start our machine, at that time your Apache Tomcat also restart. So this is the process to start up your Apache Tomcat on a system reboot. So right now I changed our startup type manual to automatic. Now I started from here, and I show that how to check how we check that our Apache Tomcat is running. For that, first here is one of the status is that running, and another one is you go into the your Chrome, go into your Chrome and just search or press localhost. That is the best port for the Apache Tomcat, and just search. If you got this window, then you get that your Apache Tomcat is up and running. So this is the process for Apache Tomcat running on a machine startup. So use these steps and get the Apache Tomcat running on your machine. If you like my video, do subscribe, share with your friends, and thanks. Till then, goodbye.